All right, just wanted to go over some Bitcoin updates and kind of like a weekly midweek outlook, kind of plans ahead. I mean, we did have that massive move, kind of OI wipe and alts. That's kind of what I definitely want to go over first. So let's pull this up first. So, I mean, it really does look great for at least some mean reversion to the upside. We have all of the funding kind of wiped out, back to some normal levels. I mean, you can just we look at the 2-week here. Just looks great. I mean, everything's really heated up, and these past couple hours, things have really cooled down. I mean, after the liquidation cascade, and then we also look at total open interest. Let's put it on a month. I'm sure this got nuked as well. Yeah, so all these are good signs. We got some, just some clearance on the way up now with these liquidations out of the way. Even just looking at the charts, this is Binance. I just got open interest on here. I mean, you can just see all these stops were taken out. A big open interest wipe, a high volume candle. I mean, this is just a good contextual RR trade to the upside. You get a big liquidation cascade. I did buy it on some perps, but I sold out pretty quick, just because these tend to kind of mean revert back down first sometimes, especially if a lot of buyers get slammed in near the lows. So that's kind of what I am looking for on alts. Let's see. So the alts that I'm going to play, I really like this chart here. I mean, you can just see, where's my box? I mean, you can just see, like, whatever you want to call it, the gap right here, the consolidation period that it pulled back to. It blew out all the stops. We had an OI wipe. So this is something I'm definitely looking at. Also looking at ETH. I mean, the ETH flows have been just amazing recently. I know it kind of fell out of favor, just because it was lagging so hard. But here, let's pull up the ETH CME futures here. I mean, you can just see, look at the inflows. I mean, look, these have just been relentless recently. The total, 224 million. I mean, look at the totals. They have just been going crazy. Up to 2 billion. You can see the CME futures open interest chart is going crazy. The volume is picking up, especially the last couple of days. Let's see. Yeah, and options are too hot, but who cares about that? So, kind of what I'm looking at. We got the funding wipe. We got the open interest wipe. I mean, Bitcoin didn't even go down that much either. Let's see if we look at XRP. Yeah, I mean, these, if we just plot this out here. Yeah, I mean, it's back to levels that were, literally almost a month ago. So all this stuff, I mean, when you get these kind of liquidation cascades, they're at least good for just some slip back to the upside. So I bought some on perps when we had the liquidation cascade, and now I'm kind of playing with spot ETH. I think that's been looking really strong recently with the inflows. Strangely though, on ETH, the OI wipe wasn't crazy. I mean, we did get a bunch of liquidations. I mean, let's put this on the 4-hour. You can definitely see this was, yeah. I mean, we did get a lot of liquidations for sure. OI wipe not as huge, but I mean, the rest of the alt market just got slaughtered, so I wasn't too worried about it. That's what I'm looking at there. And then on Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin, honestly, not too exciting. We are just kind of stuck in this range right now. Let me hide all this stuff here so it looks a little bit cleaner. I mean, I had this little consolidation period marked out. We've just kind of been not reverting around it, but you see we're just kind of building a new range down here so far. No, I don't know what's it gonna look like when MSTR, you know, the sailor has to go into a blackout because of exchange rules and he can't buy anymore. So I don't know what's gonna happen with that. I guess we'll see, but you know, so far it doesn't look too bad. The honest truth is I'm mostly playing the medium time frame and kind of playing alts. I feel like those are the better RR right now. I know XRP just got that good news as well about the approval for the stablecoin. So, you know, XRP definitely one to watch. XRP, XLM as well. I mean, this chart just got absolutely slaughtered. So, you know, TLDR, I'm looking for a reversion to the upside on alts. It could take a week. You know, it could be a day, but probably going to take a little bit of time, slow down a little bit. We had a lot of volatility, so expecting a little bit of slowdown. Here's kind of the range I'm playing on Bitcoin right now. To be honest, I'm not even really using these rectangles anymore. I mean, you can kind of play this one. This was I think that was the weekend composite. But yeah, I mean, even on the volume profile, you can see this is the range we're in. Hasn't really gone anywhere. I mean, if we get 85, 84, it's a blessing. I'd probably buy that, but I don't know, who knows if we even get that low. I mean, we might just chop around here. You know what I mean? Chop around, let's see, what is it, December? Yeah. Could literally just keep chopping around and do nothing. So I'm definitely not putting that out of the picture. But nothing's really changed on Bitcoin, even with the altcoin nuke. I mean, it's still just in this range. If we break it, it is what it is, but it's kind of playing the range for now. So the alts I am interested in are these ones that I was talking about that really hit all the stops, like jump really. I mean, this chart just looks crazy good to me. You can kind of go through them. Doge, I mean, look at it at the bottom of the range there. Pepe hitting the top of that range, get a nice bounce. I mean, the OI wipe was nice on Pepe as well. Bonk hasn't been looking too strong. I mean, it might still be bullish if we're bullish on memes, but I haven't been trading it that much. FTM, I mean, another one that looks good. Sui, this coin's just been a monster. That looks pretty good, to be honest, too. I mean, all of these just got hammered to the downside. All these AI coins, I mean, they don't... Tau doesn't look that great. So anyways, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Looking for more upside, bullish ETH with all the inflows. Bullish Solana as well, forgot to mention that. I think this got a nice wipe as well. Kind of back into this consolidation to the lower part of this range. I mean, you can see where it wicked to, at least on Binance. So excuse me, I think this looks good for some at least reversion to the upside. So bullish Sol, bullish ETH. I am bullish that this coin here. This chart looks amazing. So bullish XRP. Kind of what I'm playing. I have some positions on just on TWAPs that I had going after the daily open. We got that nuke, and I'm just kind of going to sit on them for now. I also have spot ETH. spot in JUP. So just kind of playing those. Bitcoin not really doing much. We can look at the spaghetti. Yeah, I mean XRP Popcat. What's Popcat doing? It doesn't look bad. I hate how this coin trades though. It just is so predatory. I probably wouldn't trade this one. Popcat, hate a uni whiff. So what? I guess L1s are kind of leading the way so far. And some of the Dino coins. Anyways, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on kind of my positioning and my plans. Also, let's see, we can check out the depth chart here. I mean, it's been kind of weird. We've definitely been getting slammed with sellers on spot, so a little bit cautious. You can see we're flipping a little bit here on Binance, at least. I mean, they've just been T-WAPing this. You can just see all the way down. Whether it's a T-WAP or not, they've been market selling. So is Coinbase. So, you know, not super eager to trade Bitcoin. Depth looks okay. It's kind of back to even. It's not as stacked as the ass side at 100K, so it definitely looks better. You know, funding definitely got nuked as well. So this is ETH. Yeah, funding got nuked as well. So yeah, it does look bad. I mean, you kind of want to see the Bitcoin sellers step off the gas a little bit. Let's see, do we have a premium right now? Yeah, I mean, I guess we'll see if spot kind of CBD demand comes back in, but for now, I guess we'll kind of watch the depth in the order book. I mean, Binance did, they showed up, you know, you can see that spike. They kind of made the low there, so look, you can even see this high volume node here near the bottom, so doesn't look terrible. I am mostly going to play alts though. Bitcoin kind of just going sideways for now. So playing alts, went over the ones that I'm looking at. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the